Hello CFDTers and greater fitness community. Michael from CrossFit downtown Atlanta bringing you the workout of the day for Tuesday, May 26th. It's called Sawdust. It's a 16-minute triplet of 42 mountain climbers, 28 odd object or kettlebell swings, and 14 burpees. Let's look at these movements. Mountain climber, it's simple enough. You start in a plank type position with 1 foot forward, 1 foot back. Looks like this. Every rep, you switch feet. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking for our knee to pass our hip crease just like we do in a squat. The swing, I'm going to show you with the kettlebell. Kettlebell swing. You want to start your kettlebell swing with the bell slightly in front of you and hike it like it's football. So from here, pull into your hip crease and then extend your hips and punch the sky. Remember, it's not a straight arm movement all the way up, it's straight to about eye level, then let the arms bend and punch straight again. So here, boom. That's our kettlebell swing and burpees. We have chest, thighs to the ground, jump, touch your hands over your head. Easy day. All right, guys, that's it for Sawdust. 16-minute AMRAP, 42 mountain climbers, 28 kettlebell swings, and 14 burpees. Hope you enjoy the workout. If you do like the video, share it with your friends. If not, I'll try harder next time.